Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory erase or factory reset your iPhone. Now this should work on any iPhone made within the last 4, 5, 6 years, because it's pretty much the same. So all you have to do is open up the settings app, scroll down to the general section, scroll down to reset, and then click on it. Out of all the reset options, if you want to factory reset your iPhone, you'll want to click on erase all content and settings. Now once you click on erase all content and settings, it will ask you for your phone password, and it may also ask you for your screen time passcode if you do have that enabled. Now if you plan on selling your iPhone or giving it to someone, you may want to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone and turn off Find My iPhone. You can do this by clicking on your name at the top of the settings app, scrolling down, and clicking Sign Out of iCloud. Once you're done, you can go back and reset your iPhone. Okay, now that factory reset has been finished, I will see you once I've finished the setup. Okay, at this page, if you do have a backup that you want to restore your phone to, you can do that, but if your intent is to factory restore your iPhone, all you want to click is Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Okay, now that I've factory reset my phone, you can see that all the apps are gone. And if I go into the Messages app, you can see that all my recent messages are also gone. So are my recent phone calls, my phone contacts, and everything in Safari. And that's it, you successfully factory reset your iPhone.